Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to turn on airplane mode in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. The easiest way to do it is to simply swipe from the top once, and here is airplane mode. We simply tap it once, and as you can see, our Wi-Fi is turned off and we have a little plane symbol on the top right next to the battery. We can do it by accessing our settings menu too. So in connections, we have airplane mode. Tap it once, it's doing the same. As you can see, our Wi-Fi and other functions are turned off. And our little plane mode can be seen right here next to the battery. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.